Merhaba arkadaşlar. Ben Ece. Zaten beni biliyorsunuz. Bugün sizinle birlikte ne mi yapacağız? Bugün sister'ın dolarını falan yiyeceğiz. Daha fazla böyle sister'ın dolarını gelmesini istiyorsunuz. Kanalıma abone olun ve bildirimleri açın. Eğer kanalıma abone değilsen abone ol şimdiden. Abone değilsen de şimdi gidip abone ol. Abone olduysan şöyle tam şu sonundan bir ona bas. Daha fazla böyle bir ürün gelecek zaten. Kanalıma abone olun ve bildirimleri açın. Eğer kanalıma abone değilseniz de abone olun. Ne olur arkadaşlarınızla bu videoyu paylaşın. Paylaştığınızda daha fazla arkadaşlarınızla paylaşın. Paylaşmayanları görüyorum. Ya da arkadaşınızla arayın. Arkadaş alo falan dersiniz. Öyle Ece diye biri var. YouTuber. Ona abone ol ve bildirimini aç. Eğer abone değilsen diyor. Neyse siz söyleyin arkadaşlarınızla. Siz paylaşın ya da arkadaşlarınızla sorun ya da arayın ya da WhatsApp'tan da yazıyorsunuz. Şimdi ne mi yapacağız? Şimdi bugün Siren videoları geldi. Siren kafa. Yani Siren kafa demek. Siren kafayla bugün Jester'ı drone ile Siren kafayı gördü diye videoyu izledik. Zaten başka bölümde de zaten Siren kafanın videoları yani WhatsApp'tan videoları gelecek bu telefondan. Tamam. Telefondan gelecek ara sıra. İşte telefondan gelecek. Eğer daha sonra Siren kafayı Siren söyleyemedim. Siren kafayı numarasını bulduğumda onun videosunu çekeceğim. Ama nasıl çekeceğim? Kamera falan yok zaten. Neyse. Ben annemin telefonundan bulurum. Sonra tablete ekleyelim. Tabletimden sonra annemin telefonundan çekeceğim. Sonra oturup bir şekilde video çekeceğim. Ama ortaya oturmayacağım. Hep ortaya oturuyorum neyse. Daha fazla böyle Siren kafayla WhatsApp'tan konuştuğum videosu falan gelirse kanalıma abone olmayı bilmesin. O zaman videomuza geçelim. Evet. Evet.
I'm losing.
Evet, ekran bu.
You hear it? Bro, what? Look.
Aha.
He's literally standing right there. Look at him, bro. What the hell? He's so big. Come on. I can't believe it. Holy crap. Guys, listen to this. We just heard the same sirens that everybody's been listening to about Siren Head. I watched a couple videos. This is a massive monster that's been roaming auto recently, and we're about to go find out exactly.
Falan gördük arkadaşlar. Ben bunu sorayım diye söyledim.
Guys, the legend has it that if you can actually hear the sirens somewhat nearby, there's a good chance he's very close to the house. So we're in here. We took a little scout outside quickly before getting the camera. Didn't see anything, but I assume because we heard the sirens, he's got to be close, right? Like, he has to be. Tonight with my boy Graphics.
What is up, jesters?
Guys, we are on something here. I'm pretty sure if we can capture our boy Siren Head on camera, this is going to be one of the best videos on my channel yet. I even brought the drone because if you guys have ever seen anything about Siren Head, he's massive, guys, like over 100 feet tall. So this might be the only way we get to capture him because we get a larger view of the area, right? We get to look around. We have a lot of forests nearby, so if he's hiding in the trees, we'll for sure see him, for sure. Do you guys see anything? Like, I'm taking a look right now. I don't see much. Like, he's big, right? Like, we should know something.
Yeah, exactly. We heard him, so he has to be around here somewhere, right?
Ben yani büyüdüm
Okay, I say we get closer to the forest. We don't see him. Set the drone up, fly it around, maybe try catching him on that.
İstanbul'dayım. Arabasız o yüzden bağırarak konuşamıyorum. Bak bir de ayaklarını
Yeah,
gösteriyor.
camera's on. Hear that? That's
Ama
wait,
çeksin.
listen. That's him. Dude, he's here somewhere.
Let me
Sesimi geliyor bana.
get into a spot.
here?
Arabayı bir yere
Yeah,
park
yeah, just park and get the drone out.
Holy shit. Bro, it's actually here. It's actually here.
He's gotta be somewhere here, right? I don't...
Park?
Ama yolun ortasında hep
This is
park
crazy, bro.
ediyorlar.
Okay, here, get out the car.
Yolun ortasında park etmek istiyorum. Evet.
This is
Çok
actually...
geliyor.
Let's get the drone set up.
How is it so loud? I would have never
Ya
expected it to be this
kafana
loud.
yakına geldim
I
lan.
can't even tell, like,
Evet,
which
işte
direction
şu
it's coming
taraftan
from.
falan
Oh,
geliyor.
okay. I think this is our best shot. We might as well just put the drone down,
Kesinlikle
fly it up,
sonun
and
kesilmemiş.
see what we can get.
Yeah, sounds good, man.
Okay, here, I'll sit down right here and we'll go back in the car.
Okay, let's go. This
Allah.
is actually pretty crazy because Siren Head has been really
Siren-
popular lately,
Siren
and we've heard him
kafayı
before, but we've never actually
Siren
seen him.
Head
So this is crazy if we could actually get him on
Sen
footage.
siz
Okay,
öğrenemezsiniz.
guys, so we set the drone up
Kanalıma
outside.
abone
I've got it
olmayı,
right here in my
abone
hands. It's gonna be
değilseniz de
full
abone olun.
live. We're gonna
Evet.
go up in the skies and we're gonna see if we can find our
Bazen
boy.
ben de ara sıra
Hopefully we do.
Now,
ormanlarda da
hopefully, the
çekebilirim.
drone has recovered from my last video and will
Ormanlarda
not
da
crash again.
çekeceğim.
Hopefully, man.
Aşağı koyuyorlar. Bir
It's
de aşağı
flying,
mı?
so...
Like, I
Yani
promise you
onlar
guys, I
aşağıda
understand
beni
how to fly the drone. It just
beni
sometimes, you know,
görebiliyorsunuz.
Things happen, I
things
guess.
happen. Okay, so from what I can see so far, a couple houses. Yeah, as expected. I've seen this area before. We're very nearby my house still. Like down, I'm pretty sure down this
Zaten
tree line
önce Siren
is
kafaya
where
mesaj
my house is, but
Yeah, just like down there.
kafalarla mesaj ediyoruz.
I see something in there.
Hep
It says
kafalarla mesaj
Leo's
ediyoruz.
livestock.
Those livestock.
Does that mean like goats and
Goats and cows and...
and anything? Okay, cool. So there's a long road here. I don't even know where to start.
Bu
'Cause
nerede?
are we looking for something that's like
Şimdi ona
in the sky
sıkıntı
big,
bir
or are we looking for something
şey
that's like just
olmasın
above the
diye.
tree
I don't
line?
know his exact
Sıkıntı
scale. It's like
diye
pretty
bir
hard
şey
to tell
olmasın
in a
arkadaşlar.
lot of the videos,
O
right?
yüzden
So
abi
It's
bu da
very hard to tell. So we're just gonna
bir
have to
arada
roam around
oturuyorlardı.
and
see what we see.
pray. Okay, just
Pray.
pray that we get lucky. I say we start maybe. Ooh, oh wait a minute. Look at that.
Evet.
You seeing this? Look at this.
Bir
Wait, there's like a
yerlere
little barn or something
gelecekler.
here.
It's like
Let's get
a
a little
little
bit closer.
shack. Yeah, let's see what
Ooh, I'm really bad at flying this. Okay.
Biraz
I'm worried because I don't want to crash it again. Wait, I never
ne,
crashed it.
ne saçmalıyım. Şaşırdı.
That's a pretty
Eğer
sketchy
yorumlara
Bro, it's
barn.
open. Do you see that? It's like a little like
Yeah, the
abandoned
door's just
shack.
like open.
Güzel bir şekilde yorumlara
Dude, what if
yazarsanız
something else is in there?
Dude,
A double
güzel bir
feature?
şekilde yorumlara
that could be
yazarsanız
crazy. We should get a little bit closer.
kafayı
Yeah.
There's no way Siren Head's this small, right?
ilgili
No.
yola
There's
gelsiniz.
no way he could.
Aşağıya gelsin mi
Let's
yorumlara
get low.
yaz.
I'm curious.
Ana burası şeyin evi
Is
ya.
it creepy? Imagine somebody lives in there.
Burası
That would be freaky.
Minecraft
Some
şey
poor guy.
Oh,
ne
I'm
diyorlar?
losing signal. I should go up.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
back.
go up.
Böyle beyaz
Okay, up.
beyaz
Alright,
bir
nothing in there.
maskeli
There's a
adam var.
barbecue on the outside,
Ya,
so
böyle
there's a chance.
Hey,
Şöyle
Free barbecue.
bir saçı var.
Let's
Kırmızı
go.
ya da
Let's
Okay,
get
okay.
cooking.
ha, doğru.
Let's
Kırmızı mı?
try and search
Kahverengi
for Siren
falan
Head. Okay, we
bir
heard the
saçı
sound, so
var.
you can see our car right
İsmini
there.
onu
Okay,
tam
that's us right there.
Oh, that
ismini unuttum.
Hi guys.
Yorumlara
There's a
yazar
car
mısınız?
coming on the road.
Şu
Hopefully he's
beyaz
not coming after us.
maskeli olan vardı ya şöyle.
I have an idea.
Beyaz
Let's get close to the
maskeli
forest because
gözleri
there's a good
falan var.
chance he is
Ay,
in the
beyaz
forest.
gözleri
He's
olan
like the
beyaz
same
bir-
height as trees or just a bit higher.
Beyaz maskeli
This is somewhat near our house,
Yorumlara
and this is the
yazın.
biggest
My
forest
face.
that's actually near us. So I would
Yes.
assume it's our
yorumlara
probably
yazın.
best chance to find something like that.
Umarım da
This is
çok yakın
crazy.
Yeah,
videoları
it's like
gelecek
it's
arkadaşlar.
weird
Hiç
how
merak etmeyin.
large this area
Önce
actually
şu
is.
It really
sınavlarıyla
is. Oh,
masraftan
bye,
yazalım da.
I don't know where I'm going to be honest. I think.
We're going that way, I think, right?
Oh look!
Şaşırdım, hep şaşırdım. Az önce şaşırdı
Here. Oh,
zaten
okay, here.
şaşırdı.
Let's go start from this side. I
Yeah,
say we start on the
ileri
other
alayım.
end and then come back
And
to
come
where we
back.
are.
Tamam.
I don't see much.
Biraz
Oh.
ileri
Ooh,
aldım
that is a
biraz.
nice. Look at the
Oh my
sunset. Wait a
God,
minute.
that's pretty, dude.
Wait
It
a
doesn't
minute.
look that cool from down here, but
It
because it's
doesn't,
like
yeah.
higher up.
Here, I have an idea. Oh! I need to make sure I'm not gonna hit a tree here, because that's my best habit is hitting
It's
trees.
hitting
Zaten
trees.
So let me get
dokunuyor gibi
forward
görüyorlar
here.
ama
Get in this little
Ay,
crevasse, and we'll get a better
söyleyemedik.
view. And hopefully, you know what?
Ara sıra
I've heard that
söyleyemiyorum.
he's taller than trees. If he's taller
Siren
than trees,
kafalarla
should we get like at a level of like eye
Mama
height?
istiyorsun
you know?
yazabilirim.
'Cause if that's
So
the
then
case,
he would
Neden?
tower over. right?
exactly, and we get
If
Kafalarla
we're
yazabilirim.
up high,
tell
then
where he is, right?
yeah,
Bir tane
absolutely. That's
arkadaşımız
probably a
da
good idea. Just
yazabiliriz.
don't hit the. trees, dude.
Look,
We don't
No,
want
I'm just gonna get right into this little crack that I'm seeing here, and then oh, reckless, dude.
Takip edeyim de numarasını kolayca bulalım.
Dude, I'm
Ben
lagging. I think
tabletim
we're getting
aşağıdayım.
a little bit far
Ben
out of
niye
the
acele
distance.
the
ediyorum?
range.
The range is running out. Okay, here. I think we're good. Let's just zoom up and let's see what we got
Let's see,
here.
yeah.
Devamını istiyorsanız diyorum.
Wait,
Aha gördünüz.
are you seeing that?
Evet.
Is there's no? Wait,
Oha gördüler.
that's not him, is it?
Bir de gördük.
Guys,
Nasıl
That
görüyoruz
might
lan
be,
diye.
right?
holy shit!
Bak
He is huge,
şu
bro.
aşağıdan
He's way
olabilir.
taller than the
Aşağının
trees. Wait a minute.
ortasında.
Whoa! Stop!
Kaç metre lan
Let me
bu
get higher. Let me get higher. Let me get higher.
kafa?
Let me get higher.
30 metre ya da 36 metre falan var.
Are you sure this is where you were looking? Is he there?
Let me get higher. Bro, we saw him there, right?
That was for sure.
That was
him,
right in this tree line. That was right over there.
He's
Bro,
gone. Where did he
Guys,
go?
did you see that? He was literally in the sky. I'm not even kidding you. He was actually in the sky.
Gördük demeden sonra
That's
kafayı
Maybe I'm
gördünüz
dreaming.
mü?
Let me go look around. No, dude,
Görmeyenler
I swear to God, I was looking this way.
tam
I had to have been.
tepedeydi.
Are you like?
Biraz da
sure
ileri
in, bro.
arayayım
Did you
da
That's pretty crazy,
tam
man.
görürüm.
That is like.
I can't even hear anything now.
Nasıl gördü lan?
Yeah, I'm not hearing.
Nasıl çıktı?
Okay, maybe we got too far
Aşağıdan
from it.
çıktı
I
ya.
say we get closer to the road because I feel like if we get
Okay.
closer to the road, we have
Okay.
a better chance of seeing his
Arkadaşı da
whole
tamam.
body since he seemed
Diyor.
like he was kind
Ben
of like
tamam demek
Yeah,
saying
okey
something.
demek.
And if
Okey
I don't know. He looked like he was
indirin
crossing the
okey
tree line a
demek
little bit,
indir.
yeah,
Tamam
exactly.
but he
demek.
was far. So let's get closer to the
Biliyorum
car.
ben okeydi. O
Okay, so
yüzden
this way. But I'm pretty sure he was coming from over here. So let's head towards this angle.
umarım bir daha
Okay, okay.
görebilir.
If he's
Bu
there,
diye
then
bir
we'll see.
karakter
We'll
çıktı
for sure see
arkadaşlar.
it.
Burada
This is
ya da 3
crazy,
kez
bro. I can't
3 tane
believe how
video
massive he is. I
atabilirim.
actually can't believe.
That was pretty nutty.
Okay,
Arkadaşı
so
da
we're getting
şey oldu.
we're getting closer to the road. You see it right there.
Arkadaşı da
Yeah.
şaşırdı.
Oh crap! I'm getting close to the trees.
Yeah, be careful, dude.
We're good. Oh, shoot. Losing interference? Nope. We're kind of losing some. I'm gonna get
Yol
lower.
yaparsın
Oh, I see some tree. I see some.
şeyleri.
Yeah, be careful, man.
I don't want to hit any of the wires, guys. I want to be
Bak,
careful here
alınırsın.
because we just saw Siren Head. If I can get more footage of him,
Yeah, we
You
don't
know
want to
damn
crash
well
the
this
drone
video-
Arkadaşlar
now.
it's gonna do
koronavirüsü
good. So let's
çıkamıyor.
get some more footage.
Zaten koronavirüs. Siz
scared.
dışarı
Okay,
çıkıyor
okay.
musunuz? Ama
Okay,
bisiklet
so we're
olunca korona
down this side of
falan
the road. We
olmayın.
saw him on the other side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get down.
Siren
Let's do
kafayla
a little
masraftan
180.
yazsam
I'm
mı
losing.
lan
I'm
bence?
losing.
Ama ekran vurulmaya başladı
You hear
ya.
it? You hear it?
Do we see him on the drone?
Let me look. Bro, I swear.
Ne oldu lan?
Let me get. I can't
Az
drive it.
önce
I'm trying to go up.
ekran vuruldu.
It's literally glitching, bro. It's
Right?
literally glitching.
Evet az
Holy
önce
shit.
ekran vuruldu.
What is happening?
Oha.
Oh my god. It's so close, bro. Holy crap.
Yine ekran
Bro,
vuruldu.
look.
Aha gördük.
He's literally standing right there.
That's crazy. He's literally right there.
Gördük.
Okay, let's get closer.
Yine
This is
gördük
insane,
arkadaşlar.
bro.
Yine gördük.
Let's get. Bro,
Dude.
let's go.
Onun üstüne doğru gidiyorlar
Bro,
şu
we're gonna get
anda.
underneath it. Yo,
İn-
I'm losing
Ona
signal.
yaklaştığında ekran buluyor. Oha.
Bro, look, this is not
Hemen
good. I'm losing so
anlatıyoruz.
much interference here.
Siren kafanın böyle sesi oluyor.
Okay, wait. You think he's on top of us?
He
Ben
might be.
korkmuyorum
Let me get up,
arkadaşlar.
let me get up.
Siz korkuyor musunuz?
This is
Ama
crazy.
güzel bir
Where the hell would he
laf
be, dude?
daha
I'm
fazla
freaking out,
He has
böyle.
to be close, right?
Holy shit! Look, it's so laggy. What the hell's
Böyle
happening?
I
ileri
had no
alsam mı?
idea.
Okay, let's get up.
Dur
Let's get up.
şöyle. Buraya
Just going-
geçer.
Here, let me.
Başka bölümde görüşürüz arkadaşlar. Daha fazla böyle video gelmesini istiyorsanız kanalıma abone olun ve bildirimleri açın. Eğer daha böyle masraf videolarını istiyorsanız kanalıma abone olun ve bildirimleri açın. O zaman daha fazla video. Başka bölümde görüşürüz arkadaşlar. Bay bay.